Yeah.
Warnings to the respondent.
Yes.
A violation of provisions 1 through 6 of this order with actual notice of its terms
Yeah.
is a criminal offense under Chapter 26.50.
Yeah.
Now, and will subject you to arrest.
Yeah.
The actual notice of its terms is a criminal offense.
Right.
Mhm. Now, if the violation of the protection order involves travel across a state line or the boundary of a tribal jurisdiction,
Mm-hmm.
or involves conduct within the special maritime and territorial jurisdiction of the United States, which includes tribal lands, you may be subject to criminal prosecution in federal court
Yes.
under 18 U.S. Code 2261, 2261A, or 2262. Now, a violation of provisions 1 through 6, 17, or 18 of this order is a gross misdemeanor unless one of the following conditions apply.
Yes.
Any assault
Yes.
that is a violation of this order and that does not amount to assault in the first degree or second degree under RCW 9A.36.011 or 9A.36.021 is a Class C felony. You can go to prison. Any conduct in violation of this order that is reckless
Uh-huh.
and creates a substantial risk of death or serious physical injury
Uh-huh.
to another person is a Class C felony. Also, a violation of this order is a Class C felony
Mm-hmm.
if you have at least two previous convictions for violating a protection order issued under Title 7, 10, 26, or 74 of the RCW. Now, if your relationship to the victim is as intimate partner, then effective immediately and continuing as long as this protection order is in effect, you may not possess a firearm or ammunition under federal law,
Mm-hmm.
18 U.S. Code 922G8.
Yeah.
A violation of the federal firearms law carries a maximum penalty of 10 years in prison and a $250,000 fine.
Yes.
If you're convicted of an offense of domestic violence, you will be forbidden for life from possessing a firearm or ammunition, 18 U.S. Code 922G9, RCW 9.41.040.
Mm-hmm.
You can be arrested even if the person or persons with or who obtained the order invite or allow you to violate the order's prohibitions. You have the sole responsibility to avoid or refrain from violating the order's provisions. Only the court can change the order upon written application.
Yeah.
Now, pursuant to 18 U.S. Code 2265, a court in any of the 50 states, the District of Columbia, Puerto Rico, any United States territory,
Yeah.
and any tribal land within the United States shall accord the full faith and credit to the order. Mm-mm. Now, this thought
Yes. Mm-hmm.
that just right now, pursuant of 18 U.S. Code 2265, a court in any of the 50 states,
Yes.
the District of Columbia, Puerto Rico, any United States territory, and any tribal land within the United States
Yes.
shall accord full faith and credit to the order.
Yes.
Now,
Mm-hmm.
when my wife accused me of domestic violence and child abuse, the court issued a 1 year probation from the time that I was released from jail.
Yes.
And within the conditions of that probation,
Mm-hmm.
I could not contact the victim. The let's see, the arrest was for the accusation of family violence,
Yeah.
child abuse, and assault.
Yes.
So the victim,
Mm-hmm.
where I was accused as being the perpetrator, yes,
Mm-hmm.
it was a criminal probation
Yes, it was.
that involved the charges of the police department
Yes.
having the belief, the probable cause,
Yes.
that there could have been
Yes.
an actual accusation
Yeah.
of domestic violence and child abuse.
Mm.
Now, the charges were never prosecuted
Now.
because I did 7 hours of parenting classes.
Right.
And then when the expungement took place, let's go ahead. You could not issue a protection order that happened to violate my conditions of probation as the accused criminal
Yes.
in the diversion
Right.
where I went to trial.